In this video, I will show you how to install Spotify on Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine or something similar and want to install Spotify to it, here's what you can do. So to do that, the first thing you have to try to do, connect to the internet and then try to locate your app store. Once you see your app store, just come over to it. For instance, here's my app store here. I just have to come over to my app store and then I search for Spotify. It's very easy. So as I launch my app store, here I just close this one I just search. So I click on search and I come over here and I type Spotify. Remember, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel. So Spotify, very easy. Remember, we're doing this on my Samsung Smart TV. Once you click on search, here's what it's going to up. Here's the application. So you're just going to click on it, and if you've not downloaded it to your Android TV or Smart TV, just click on download. And if you've downloaded it already, you can go ahead and update the application as you can see here. So it's very easy. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful.